handy with a wrench. There's nothing I can't drive, nothing I can't fix. So what we got here is a hood latch lock made by Bolt. And this is for a JK hood lock. And what it is, for those that own a Jeep Wrangler, you will know that all you got to do to open the hood is undo these two latches, that one and this one, and that's it. You're in the engine compartment. And if you have done any modifications like a S-Pod, a ARB compressor, you want to secure these things. Just don't want anybody to be able to open your hood and walk away with your things. So this one is made by Bolt, and it works with your ignition key. You have to program it, and I'll show you how to do it in a minute. And it comes with some rivets, but I ordered some from Amazon with a hand riveter. But I see in the package it comes with some rivets. So I'll show you that, how to memorize your key to it or program your key to it. Stay tuned. So to memorize the key, I advise you to do it before you install this, because once you install it, it's pretty much in there with rivets. It's not like a screw that you could take back off. So you take that little sticker off. You can see it's in the lock position. I don't know how the key goes in, but and you turn it to the right all the way. Memorize your key. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Memorize your key, and you can see now it locks and unlocks with your key. So I'll install this and I'll show you how it goes. So to install that hood latch, yeah, I'm eating some Cheetos. I'm hungry as I don't know what. But to install that hood latch key, you have to remove your grill. And if you've never been in here before, it's just simple. This comes up and remove that whole thing, split out, and that's it. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to do, and then pull the grill out. All right, so now it's installed, and this is how it looks right there. So I have my latches off, and as you can see, you can't get your hand in there to undo the latch. So what you do is open this up and turn the key, and now you can get a hand in there and get the latch. So it's locked, it's down. You can't get your hand in there to do the latch. The key in, open it. Now you can get the latch in there and open it. So really good. Like it. Well, hope this helps.